Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Hairulizam and I will present about my assignment of csc508. From my assignment, I have built a car inventory system, and in this system we have 8 class. As you can see right here, we have the not class, empty list exception class, conversion class, car class, linked list class, stack class, queue class, and main class. I will explain about the node class first. Okay, this is the node class. For the variable, we have two variable, which is object data and node nets. We have the default constructor and the normal constructor, and then we have copy constructor, mutator method, public void set data, object new data, and data equal to new data, public void set next, not new next, next equal to new next. That is the mutator method. Public object get data, return data, public not get next, return next, equal to SSO method. And the last is the toString method. We have the toString method and we use if next equal to null, it will return data dot toString, else it will return data dot toString next dot toString. Next is the empty list exception. This class is necessary because if your list of car is empty, it will return the list is empty. Next is the conversion class. Out of all the 8 class that I've made, this is actually the most difficult class, and I don't really know how to explain the class, so I will just show the code. Okay, and next is the car class. For the car class, we have 4 variable, which is car name, car type, car price, and car quantity. This is the default constructor, and this is the copy constructor. This is the mutator method for the car name, and the mutator method for the car type, and the mutator method for the car price, and the mutator method for the car quantity. Below this is the accessor method for the car name, car type, car price, and the car quantity. For this is the accessor method, and lastly is the toString method. It was a quite long toString method. Next we have the linked list class. For the linked list class, we have 3 variable, which is node head, tail, and current. And below this we have the default constructor, head equal to null, tail equal to null, and current equal to null. And below this we have the isEmpty method that will return head equal to null if the list is empty. And below this we have the print method if isEmpty method, which is here. If isEmpty method is empty or don't have any data in the list, it will return empty data, or else it will return the head or the first data in the list. Next we have the insert at front object data to insert the insert a data into the front of the list. And then we have insize method. The function of the size method is to count all the data in the list. And then we have insert at back method to insert data at the back of the list of data. For example, if the last data in the list of car, we have inventory car. So for example, the last data of the car inventory, we have Lamborghini, and we want to insert a Honda data into the list of car. Then it will insert at the back of Lamborghini car. And then we have the get first method. If the list of data is empty, it will go to the empty list section and it will show the list is empty. If the data is not empty, it will return the first data of the list. And the get next method to get any data from the list, and the get last method to get the last data in the list. And remove from front method to remove a data at to remove the first data at the list. And remove from back method to remove the data from the back of the list. Okay. Next we have the stack class, which is the extend from the linked list. The default constructor will return the superclass, and we have the push method that will return the insert at front method from the linked list. And we have the pop method that will return remove from front method from the linked list. And we have the pick method that will return the get first method from the linked list. Here over here you can see the get first method at the linked list class, and this is the stack class. And here you can see at the pick method will return the get first method from the linked list class. Next we have the isEmpty method that will return super.isEmpty, which is from the super class that is linked list. It will take the isEmpty method from the linked list class. Next is the print method that will return super.print, and it means that it will take the print method from the linked list class. Next is the queue method, extends to the linked list class also. The default constructor and the enqueue that will insert at back method from the linked list class, that will take the insert at back method from the linked list class, and the dequeue method that will return remove from found method, and get from method that will return the get first method from the linked list class, and get end method and is empty method that will take the is empty method from the linked list class, and the print method that will take the print method from the linked list class. And lastly is the main method. This is where our system is functioning because without this class our system will not be able to run. We have three variable and one queue and one stack over here. C1 equal to new queue, stack car stack equal to new car stack equal to new stack, and the variable is car name, car type, car price, and car quantity, and B system.out.print where the system will ask the user to enter the data, enter amount of car. So for example, how many car do you want to enter? And for example, we put two, and then the array list will have two over here at the B, and the list will have two data in the list. And this is the method to get the maximum quantity of data and the minimum quantity of data over here also. And here is where if a user want to find any type of car or any name of car, if the car is in the list, it will show search item found. If not, it will show search item not found. If the search item is found, the system will show the information in inventory. And then the system will ask the user if they want to delete all of data in the stack. If the user say yes, then the system will delete the data on the stack. If not, it will not delete the data. And here is the infig to postfix expression. Then I will show you my system output. First, the system will ask the user to enter the car, the amount of car, two car. I will uh, show the output first and I will explain later. Okay, okay, I will explain to you. The system asks the user to input the amount of car to insert into inventory. So I put 2 over here and it will show the car name. I put wajah and the car type I put whatever and the car price also I input whatever and the quantity I input 8. That is for the first data of the list of inventory of my car inventory. And the second is the car name and the second data of our second car. The second car of our list is first car name Honda and the car type is whatever and the car price is also whatever. The car quantity is 6. So the total of all car is 14 because the car quantity for the first car is 8 and the car quantity for the second car is 6. So the total of 8 plus 6 is 14. Average of all car is 14 divided by 2 because we have 2 cars, so it was divided by 2. The sum of all car is divided by 2 because we have 2 car. And the most less car is 6, which is Honda. We have the most minimum of car quantity. And the most many car is 8, which is Wajah. It have 8 car. And then the system will ask the user, do you want to find any car? If the user enter Y, then it will go to enter the car name and I put Honda. After that, the system will find if the Honda has the data of Honda in the list and it will respond with search car for Honda. Car type is whatever and the quantity is 6. And it will also display the information in the list, which is wajah and the car type and the price is whatever and the car quantity is 8. And also in the stack wajah also. And next it will approval deletion of all data in the stack and I put Y, which is yes. And then the system will respond with stack is now empty. And then we go to the infix to postfix expression. It will ask expression conversion from infix to postfix. Do you want to use stack expression? Then I input Y. And then I enter the infix expression 100 plus 500 minus 300 and then it will show the postfix expression, which is first 100 and then 500 and plus and then 300 and lastly is the minus. Okay, that's all from me.